Good morning to all, respected my elder brothers and sisters, and respected my teachers to give me this opportunity to give presentation. So we are assembled here to give a presentation on own topic. So our topic is articulation, and my team member name is Selja Di, Rupam, Aryan Bhaiya, Rishi Bhaiya, and me myself Preeti Kumari. So this is articulation. So the topic to be discussed is in the articulation is introduction, history, geography, religion, ecosystem, environment concern, natural resource, economy, and conclusion. So let's move to introduction. So I will give you brief idea about the Arctic Ocean. What is Arctic Ocean? Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean of the world. It is very cold. It's covered 3% of the world. It covered 3% of the world of the area. In the bank of the ocean, many countries established, and the many country regions like UP, Samis, and many others. And the economy generated by in Arctic Ocean is by fishing and oiling and many others. So the environment concern in the Arctic Ocean is like to many pollution, and many country give the idea to not do the pollution, and the ecosystem of the Arctic Ocean is wildlife, the polar bear, penguin, and many others like seagull. So let's move to a history. So we know the ocean, but how it formed we did not know how it is formed. So we will tell you in this presentation how it formed. As you seen that this is the Pangea. It is the before the land was not separated, the Pangea like this the land was, and after that we can see that the continent is separated in the other map. And so the Pangea was the supercontinent, but it divided by tectonic plates like Gondwana and Laurasia in 150 millions ago. It was formed, but the discovery by the Parsecs in 330 BC, and the tectonic plates by the movement it is formed, and the Arctic basin formed, then the Arctic Ocean. So this is the formation of the Arctic Ocean. The geography of the Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest and shallowest ocean, as we know that, and the coldest, and it covered the 3% of the world. And as we know that its area is 14.056 square kilometer, and it is very covered with snow, and its temperature is minus 1.8 degree. And as we know that in the recently the report is come that the Arctic Ocean ice is melting day by day, and the Arctic it's and here is very low precipitation. Here is very low precipitation, and the IHO is the researcher. They go to research on the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is not for living, and Arctic Ocean is only for the researching, because the Arctic Ocean is very coldest, and it is very coldest, and it is very coldest. And as we know that the Arctic Ocean ice is melting day by day, and it is very important concern to, and because of this the researcher say that the Arctic reflection he made, and he said that in 6 months we will cover the all over the ice, and its water is salinity, means the water is very salty. As you are thinking that why, if water is salty, then the water should be melt, but no, because of its temperature, because its temperature is very high for the freezing the ice. So if the 1.8 minus 1.8 degrees Celsius, it's temperature, because of this it's not melting the ice, but while it is being a salinity water. That's it, my point. So my team member called Selja Didi.
My topic is about religion. First, I want to ask from you, what is religion? Do you know about what is religion? Okay, I will ask. I will tell you. First, religion is very important for all human beings, because why it is important for all human beings? Because if any person or any girls suffer from menstruation cycle, or suffer from health issue, and suffer from health issue, and also from fear files, they can relieve from these problems after believe on religion. So first come on my point. Arctic Ocean share boundary with total 8 countries. First one is Alaska, Canada, Russia, Norway, Ireland, Greenland, Finland, Norway, and Sweden. So there are religion name. First one is Inuit religion, Yupik religion, Aleut religion, and last one is Sami religion. So there are also country name. Alaska and Canada believe on Inuit religion. Alaska and Russia believe on Yupik religion. Alaska and United States believe on Aleut religion. Norway and Sweden believe on Sami religion. But it has same element. It has believe on natural element like sun, mountain, water, wind, and ancestor and soul also. And also they are believe on taboos. My next topic about indigenous communities, including cultural heritage, connection to nature, and third one is community and social bonding. What is culture and heritage? Culture and heritage including languages, folk dance, folk music, classical dance, and also old monuments. They are also believe on culture heritage, because it is running from one generation to next generation. My next point is about connection to nature. The Arctic region also believed to connect from nature and its power. Community and social bonding. Community and social bonding, they are also believe on culture festival. So they are celebrate culture festival like first name is Alaska celebrate Chukchi festival, and Russia celebrate dog race festival. And also they are using sandal tilak. And Arctic region also offering some flowers to nature. First one is jasmine, second one is marigold, third one is lotus, and last one is hibiscus. Why they are offering daisy? Because to show purity. Arctic region, why they are offering marigold? Because to show respect. Why offering lotus? Because to show grow enlightenment. And last one is beauty of nature. When Arctic region offering hibiscus to show beauty of nature. So I want to tell about Arctic region also believe on natural elements. So I would like to call Aryan Raj to get further information about ecosystem of Arctic Ocean.
My topic is ecosystem of the Arctic Ocean. My part is wildlife of the Arctic Ocean. First point, mammals like polar bear. Polar bear, the iconic polar bear, is the Arctic Ocean, feeding on the fish and seal. Polar bear weight of 50-100 pound and 25,000 with up to the 1991 get to the 50,000 living in the Canada Arctic. Second point is walrus. Walrus the large marine mammals like many walrus the large marine mammals at feeding on the fish, and walrus weight of 1.3 ton compared to the as compared to the 75 ton of the Antarctic Pacific birds of the Arctic Ocean. Name is puffin. Puffin are colorful seabirds of the feeding on fish. Fish of the Arctic Ocean. Name is Articod. Articod is a important food source of many Arctic many animals. Last point is many animals of the Arctic Ocean. Name is grey whale. Grey whale is a migrate through the Arctic Ocean feeding on the fish. My next member is Rishi भैया.
Firstly, my topics is Arctic questions about environment concern. Arctic questions has become a significant environmental challenge to polluted because the Arctic oceans has very polluted. There are many causes affected. There are many regions in Arctic ocean. First in plastic waste product involved in Arctic ocean, and second black carbons and methanes, and third human induced. And first plastic oceans. In world 30 million tons plastic produce, and 40% use only carry bags, plastic bottles, and 8 million tons involved in Arctic oceans. Arctic oceans. These Arctic oceans very negative impacts in Arctic oceans humans health issue, and these are very impacts are polar bear because scientists are reports they research 40% polar bears research, or 20% polar bears are effects negative impacts in Arctic ocean because Arctic oceans very 8 million ton involves in Arctic oceans because because polar bear eats foods and drink waters. He has too much very high plastic polythenes. And second, black carbons and methanes. Black carbons and methanes very high chemicals because black carbons and methanes global warmings in Arctic ocean. Arctic oceans had 30% global warming increase because because these regions are black carbons and methanes, and many high chemicals just like POP, oxybenzene, and octanates, and POP presents organic pollutants, and oxybenzene and has octanates. These chemicals are very harmful, such as wildlife animals, polar bears, birds, and human health issue. And food chains very effects on reproductions, and thirds are induced just like fossil fuels, wood burns, and gas and oils. And last, the solution. Why are the solution of Arctic oceans in Arctic oceans polluted? In country Norway country has second ban plastic bottles. Plastic. He has a scheme. A scheme has a customer any bottles purchase, and shopkeeper has 1 crore. In our Indian, 1 crore equal to 8.15 rupees. And the US country, the state Hawaii country is the first bans of produce octobenzene and octanates. These products are very high impacts in Arctic area, and very negative impacts. So my topics is complete, and my next team members come and complete the topic.
So I cover in two contents in these topics. First one is the natural resource. Natural resource is the very important in our daily life to use natural resources like petroleum. Petroleum are used to car, used to factories, to infrastructures. Just like a natural resource is a fossil fuel. Fossil fuel is the part of the natural gas and oil. Is the very dangerous things because factory are using the natural gas is a black and black oxygen are go in environmental and is the polluted and ozone layer are not good for population people's the many lives and other also and the climate change is also role of the fossil fuels. And second one, the minerals you study the class 10 and passed out, and minerals are important in the first chapter of geography, resources and development, because resources are developed in our countries. You are minings, you are measure the our earth systems, why are you circles and mining the resources. Many minerals are just like a diamond, gold, silver is the precious things are is found in the Arctic regions, because Russia and Alaska is the part of the USA is the very mining in the Arctic region of the minerals and is selling in other countries also. India has also consumed the minerals in this region, just like our India's is a Chota Nagpur plateau is the coal are very biggest resources and is the transport in other countries also, just like imagination to minerals are is the minings and is go for other countries. In the last one is the marine life. Marine life is the very important because is the oceans are located to live many marine lives, just like marine animals is the polar bears, walrus and more dense animals are live, just like marine birds, puffins and more than more than thousands birds are living in the living in the Arctic oceans. But is the negative impact because people are the fishings, overfishing is not good for the our environment, because many peoples are located in these Arctic regions, just like eight countries are located: Russia, Iceland, Greenland, Norway, Sweden, Alaska is the part of the USA, so is not good. So my second topic economics. Economics is the trade and shippings, because is the biggest role of the economics, shipping and trade. Many peoples are go in transport due to climate change. Is the depending on the climate because is the Iceland, because ice oceans melting the ice is a new opening the routes is the shipping routes only, and peoples are going to other countries, just like China peoples are incoming and exploitation and is invest the our money to develop our shipping routes. And second was the mineral and minings. I am also say that mineral and minings in natural resources, but is the mining of the Greenland and Russia is a very biggest role of the mining in the minerals and involving in other countries. So my biodiversities means in Arctic regions is the biodiversities. Many minerals are leaves, and many marine lives are leaves, and is the living organisms are living. So is a biodiversities. So it is good impact our environment to change our climates. People are helping in hunting, fishing, and mariculture. Mariculture means fishing and huntings. More than thousand of the fishings are involved in oceans and is the fishings. But overfishing is not good for peoples, because indigenous communities are live in the Arctic regions, and and is the dependent on the and biggest role of the fish to seafood markets. Seafood market, so is the not to growth our GDPs growth our, because many countries, Russia is the richest countries, Greenland is the richest country, USA, Alaska is the richest country, because these regions are located in the Arctic regions. So I last content is the conclude our sessions. You don't you don't read the oceans, so my team member is understanding what is the Arctic oceans is role our five continent is the smallest continent in the world, in the salty waters is the blue economics in the salty water, just like Pacific Ocean is a not a salty water, Atlantic Ocean is a not a salty water, but this ocean is the salty waters, and these oceans are minus degree temperature are just like 1.02 degrees Celsius in minus degrees, so involving in Icelands, just like Greenland also located and is the centrally in upper sides, is not boundary and the downsides, just like India is the not a part of the Arctic oceans, just only one Russia is the only parts of the Asia's continent to these oceans, but our USA continent in Alaska's and many countries to conclude our sessions.
Okay, first member, Vidhi Kumari, first member. Submit this one. We have covered the historical part of Arctic Ocean. Okay. So can you tell me how Pangaea got separated into many different continents
Yes, sir.
and how it resulted into the formation of Arctic Ocean?
Yes, sir. Sir, the Pangea was like this landless continuous mass, and then the tectonic movement happened. Then the Pangea get the separated by the two continent Gondwana and the Laurasia, and then the Gondwana also separated, but the Laurasia and Gondwana separated. Then the formation of Arctic Ocean.
How Arctic Ocean is different from other oceans
Sir-
apart from salty nature?
Yes, sir. Arctic Ocean is different from other ocean because it is smallest and it is located in the northern part and it is very coldest. The other ocean people can live, but in this ocean people did not live. Only going for the research to the research, and now also this is the myth ocean that now also the people cannot find all of the things of the Arctic Ocean.
Can you name some of the current that flows through Arctic Ocean?
Yes, sir. The Shannon, and the Norwegian current.
Norwegian current.
Sorry, sir, Norwegian.
Okay, very good. So, can you tell me some biodiversity of Arctic Ocean?
Yes, sir. Sir, there is very many type of animals or marine life live, and sir, in the ecosystem I also mentioned the many type of biodiversity, like the algae is on the peloton and the killers, then the Arctic codes, then leopard seals, then the polar bear. Then we can see the biodiversity is very vast. We cannot.
Fine. Can polar bears can be found in other ocean?
Yes, sir, it can found but less in the
Are you
amount.
sure? Polar bear is the only part of Arctic Ocean.
Yes, sir.
Next member, very good. Next member. You have covered the religion part. But religion of Arctic Ocean is very different. It is not Hinduism or Jainism or Christianity or no Islamic, but it's very different.
Yes.
So how religion can be different from other parts, and how it emerged in Atlantic Ocean? This type of religion.
In Arctic Ocean, there is no human beings and there is no god and goddess. But Arctic region, like Alaska and Canada,
There is a human being. That's why people are following the religion.
yes, sir.
You have said that there is no human being.
Yes, sir. In Arctic Ocean.
Uh, what is Arctic Ocean? Can you tell me some of the countries that form Arctic Ocean? One of your member has mentioned that Russia share, some parts of Russia is a part of Arctic Ocean. Correct. Some of the parts of Canada also. Greenland is a part of Arctic Ocean. People are living there,
Yes.
but in a less number. So why they are practicing a different religion? Very strange religion.
Because they are believe on only natural elements, sir.
Natural elements. So can you relate this religion with Indian religion?
Because Arctic Ocean surface covered with ice and icy and
No, that's
also,
right. I'm asking you, is there any common thing between the religion practiced in the Arctic region with that of India?
yes, sir, culture festival.
No. You haven't got my questions. I'm asking you, what is the relation between, what is the commonness of religion practiced in Arctic region and India?
In India, we are also tilak also, and Arctic region also
There is a concept of tilak.
yes, yes,
Sandal.
sandal tilak.
Next member. Next member. Show me your slides. Tell me what is the picture? Tell me the name of that animal.
This one is polar bear,
Yes.
penguin.
You tell me something about that penguin. It looks so beautiful, no?
Yes.
So tell me about basics about penguin.
Penguin not fly uh, sky.
Correct. But it is also bird. No, it is a bird, but it cannot fly.
Yes.
So can you tell me other place where penguin reside apart from Arctic region?
Antarctic.
Antarctic. So what have you learned from your presentation?
Presentation is good. PPT and searching skill.
Okay, next member. I like your papers. You have covered in a detail environmental concerns. And in one note you have mentioned about the persistent organic pollutants. If
Yes.
I am correct. Tell me what is the basic features of persistent organic compounds and why is it causing harm to the oceans?
Because POP has a chemical, and in Arctic oceans, a person's are swimming ocean waters 97% octabenzenes and octanates. These are very harmful, and US states, Hawaii states are ban the are sunskins means has a chemical has a octobenzenes and octanates.
Okay, how can we solve the problems of Arctic oceans?
Arctic oceans, because in our 30 million tons produce plastic covers, and 40% use only carry bags and plastic bottles, and 8% million ton involves in Arctic Ocean.
Okay, fine. So how marine pollution, plastic pollution, oil spill, and other that we have in environmental concerns, how it impacts the biodiversity web of Arctic oceans? As I can see the
Foods.
food web. So how it impacts the food web system of the Arctic ocean?
It impacts food chains reproductions, fish and birds,
How it impacts the birds and fish?
because because food chain has a has a parallel, just has a bird a bird a bird eats some things, and the other animals eats birds.
Next member. Next member. You, what have you covered? Natural resources.
Yes.
Tell me some natural resources of Arctic Ocean.
Fossil fuel, natural gas, minerals just like ore, irons, diamond, copper, and more than minerals.
Is India should join the exploration of Arctic Ocean?
Yes, sir.
Why? India should join.
Because many minerals are found. Because India is not a coal or the 100%, is the only 80% are.
But there is dichotomy, no? There is confusion. If we exploit natural resources
Yes, sir.
from region like Arctic region, and Arctic region is very sensitive for the world,
Yes, sir.
and if we exploit fossil fuels, it will impact climate change.
Yes, sir.
So it is a wise to go there and to extract that minerals. Is it fair? Is it good to do this, or we should move towards the renewable energy?
It is not good to fossil fuel to climate was changes and negative impact to all of you, and renewable energy. Yes, Arctic region is also use the renewable energy, hydro and solar energy, wind energy, and more than energy are used.
That means India should not go there. That is important.
Yes,
India should not go there.
sir. India is should go, but only for minerals is not oil
Why we
spill.
should go for minerals? If you burn minerals, automatically carbon dioxide greenhouse gas emits, and
Yes, sir.
it will contribute to the global warming.
Sir, no going India.
No, India should go, but in a balanced way.
Yes, sir.
Because in one night we are not going to switch into the renewable energy.
Yes, sir.
We should do it in a sustainable manner.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, Rupam, tell me about the marine life of Arctic Ocean. Marine life.
Yes, sir.
Some of the species. Yes.
Sir, 21,000 marine life are live in the Arctic Ocean, just like a polar bears, walrus, penguins, and more than our birds are living.
Okay, so what have you learned from your presentation?
Is a new things because new topics like ocean. I don't understand Arctic regions is a different of the other oceans. Is the ices and marine lives and polar bear also live only this Arctic regions, and other not oceans are living. So new things are learned.
Okay, final conclusion from your side,
Yes,
from your
please.
case.
Thank you to be with me in this presentation and giving me confidence to give the presentation. And we learned many things about the Arctic Ocean. Before doing the presentation, I did not know about the Arctic Ocean. I only knew the small things about the Arctic Ocean, but I get the brief idea of the Arctic Ocean by this presentation. And I don't know how, I think that the Arctic Ocean is the northern Arctic Ocean is in the northern pole, but I think how the Pacific Ocean connect, how the Antarctic Ocean connect. But I read the many Wikipedia, I visit many National World PDF I visit, then I found that the Bridge Street by the Pacific Ocean they go, and by the Greenland column Lacombe Sea, Atlantic Ocean connects. So this is very wonderful opportunity to visit in the presentation, and thank you to be with me, be the patience for me, because anyone should not give me this type of confidence. I am very thankful to you because you are giving me this type of opportunity to skillful, because everyone not get this type of opportunity, and my team member also coordinate me very goodly, because when I am wrong, but my teammate always support me, say that you can do, and my teammate always support me, and we also support the teammates like many, and the Rupam and Seljadi, Rishi Bhaiya and Aryan Bhaiya also support all the team members, and we are very thankful to sir, because sir give us presentation, and we get the opportunity to present ourselves in their front.